How to enable calls on Viber. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device, then click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Calls and Messages. Here you'll find Viber and Calls. Click on it, make sure there's tick mark on it. After you do that, you will enable calls on Viber. What you can also do is hold on to the Viber app on your home screen and click on App Info. Then go to Permissions, click on Contacts. After you clicked on Contacts, make sure Contacts access for this app is allowed. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to enable calls on Viber. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.